How to send photos, videos, and files on email. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are trying to share photos, videos, or files with your friends on email, then great news! Email makes sharing very simple even for beginners. So follow these steps below. Till the end. First of all, open the email app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Now go ahead and open up a chat, choose a friend or contact you want to send something to, and open the chat conversation. Once you're inside the chat conversation thread, go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner in the text box. Now, select the gallery option to send photos or videos. Now choose a photo or video from your device's camera roll. After making a selection, tap on the send icon at the bottom right corner to send in the video or the photo. Now, you will be able to send the photo or video to the contact. Your photo or video will be shared instantly. To send files or documents, tap the same plus button at the bottom right and then select File. Now, choose a file you want to share. Browse your device's storage and select the file you want to send, such as PDF files, Word document, zip files, or other saved files. After selecting one of the files, you'll be able to send it to the contact. Just make sure that the internet connection is stable. Large videos or files may take longer to upload. Allow storage permissions if email asks for access. And now you're all set. You can easily share memories, videos, and important files with your friends and family using email. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.